He's presenting with neck pain, some headaches, and he's also having some sinus issues as of recently with the allergy season being what it is. We're gonna evaluate his pelvis and his mid-back while we're here. So we're checking his leg length. We have a short right leg, about 1/4 inch on the right. Definitely lack of motion on the right side. And then we're just feeling for the paraspinal muscles in the lumbar spine, which are super locked up right now. All right. This is gonna open up his chest and lungs, help him release some of those sinus pressure. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Let it go, good. Drop those arms for me. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good, let it go. There we go. All right. Now let me check the leg length. Still short. We're gonna adjust the sacrum, involve side down. There you go. Keep that arm just relaxed for me. I'm gonna roll you. Just relax all this, okay? There you go. There it is. Go ahead and bring those arms back. Okay, to the middle. We're evaluating his neck now. Feel some restriction on the left side. C6, C7, and then at Atlas and C2. Just relax that. Relax that. There it is. All right. We're also going to check his hip strength. Go ahead and keep this leg up for me. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Good, don't let me push down. Hold it. Good, a little bit weaker. Relax. Just relax that, good. Awesome. Go ahead and bring that leg up. Hold it. Good, stronger. Awesome. Good, go ahead and turn your head to the right. Good, left. All right, stand up for me. All right, try to touch your toes. Awesome.